Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I replaced these orange side markers on this beautiful black and black 2026 Porsche Macan with these smoked side markers. I was thinking, should I buy side markers with the LED lights? And later I found that some people who install those with the LED lights were complaining that they were causing error codes. So then I decided to purchase ones from Flat 6 Motorsports. So this is the ones, so that they are smoked. They also offer ones that are clear, but I think on the black car, the smoked ones will look better. And they come with two replacement orange light bulbs. So they will be replacing the original ones that are clear. To remove the factory side marker, you need to unscrew two screws holding the wheel liner. If you're working on the left driver's side, you need to turn your wheel to the right. If you're working on the right passenger side, you need to turn the wheel to the left. To unscrew those screws, you will need T25 Torx bit. After those two screws are removed, pull the liner away just to get access to the back of the side marker. So what we'll need to do there, we'll need to access this clip, this metal clip on the side marker. You need to push it, and as you push it, the side marker will pop up. You can use your hand if you can reach it, or you can use a screwdriver. This is the clip that you need to push to remove the side marker. Push the clip and side marker will pop out. Now you need to pull the side marker out and twist this way, and now you have access to the light bulb. Remove the clear light bulb by pulling it out. Install the new orange light bulb that new smoked side markers came with. Now install the socket with the light bulb into new side marker and twist it. As soon as I inserted this socket with light bulb into this new side marker, and when I was twisting it, I noticed that I don't feel the same resistance as it was when I was removing the original one. It was much less resistance, probably because this made out of thinner plastic. So I was afraid that this seal with such less resistance will not provide enough seal, so I added another layer of rubber seal. And now when I install this side marker and twist it, now I have exactly the same resistance feeling, and I have this good seal between the socket and the body of the side marker. Before installing the side marker, make sure it works. Now I can remove the protective film and install the side marker by pushing this end. So this end goes in first, and now you push this one. It actually fits very well. Now, after the side marker is installed, I will push in the fender liner into its position. So the fender liner is in this position. Now I can reinstall those two screws that were removed. Reinstall the two fender liner screws. And tighten them with T25 torque speed. The installation on one side is complete. I really like how it looks. And this is how it looks with the light on. I will repeat the procedure on the right side. I like how they look, but unfortunately I cannot say they are excellent and give them 5 out of 5 because I had to do extra work. I had to add another layer of seal between the body of the side marker and the light bulb socket. Other than that, they look good. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.